up, YouTube? It's Eli, and I'm back again with another video today. And today for you guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to get better connections. If you want to be elite, you gotta have good connections. You gotta break those forks. You gotta brush correctly if you want good connections. So I'm gonna be showing you guys that. First, let me show you guys how I'm looking right now. This is how my waves is looking right now, you guys. As you can see, I'm getting my connections better. I've been brushing correctly. My angles is getting better. Hair is nice and silky. I'm working on this whole right side. But overall, my pattern is already set. It's just to get my connections better, add more definition, and then just break these forks. So what you need to know when you're trying to get better connections is your brushing angles. That's the number one thing. So when you're brushing, that you're hitting those angles correctly. And also that you're hitting them at the same spot every single time. For example, if you're brushing your waves, if you brush like this, you see how I'm brushing, cause my waves, you see how the brush is? This is the way my waves is going. So if you continue brushing this way, don't switch it up and start brushing this way, or start brushing straight down. You want to stay consistent with your brush strokes. That's one way to get your connections better. You got to stay consistent with your brush strokes. Brush, brush, brush. Your waves is not going to get there by just using products. You have to put in the time and put in the brush work. I've been brushing about an hour and a half a day. I'll wake up, I'll get a 20-minute brush session in the morning, and then in the afternoon I get about another 20 to 30-minute session, and then at night I probably get another 45 to an hour. So I get about a good hour to 2-hour brush session a day. When I'm brushing, I'm hitting those angles correctly. I'm brushing slow and precise. If you was to ask me about a month ago how long I was brushing, I was probably brushing around 45 minutes to an hour a day. Now I'm brushing an hour plus, up to an hour and a half to 2 hours a day. So if you want better connections, you gotta brush correctly and precise, and you wanna brush longer. And also you don't wanna brush your hair dry. And you can't brush with dry hair. Your hair has to be very moisturized and very, like soft and silky. When you moisturize your hair very good, when you're brushing it, you're moving your hair at the same time. And if you're brushing straight and correctly, and you're hitting those angles correctly every single time, your waves are just gonna get better and better and better, and your connections are gonna flow smoothly. That is what I'm doing right now, and my connections is coming out very good. And it just comes down to how you're brushing, the amount of time you're brushing, and if you're brushing correctly. And also another tip is you want to also make sure your crown is good. And the rest of your waves, I would say it kind of like depends on your crown. If your crown is good, then the rest of your waves is going to flow good. If you didn't close up your crown yet, I suggest you start working on your crown too. So now I'm gonna show you how I brush my hair for better connections and how I hit all my angles correctly. Stay tuned. And also you got and vertical brushing too. That also helps, break forks, and it helps you get better connections. I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and comment and subscribe. And as always, if you like this durag, or any other durag that you see me use in my videos, I'll leave the link in the description, as I always do. And I also leave my coupon code right here, so you can get a discount and save some money. And as always, you guys, stay wavy.